Hi everybody, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I have a new UCANBE palette. It's amazing and I can't wait to swatch it for you. Here we go. So some of you may have watched some of my other videos and heard me talk about a UCANBE palette that's a rainbow palette called Spotlight. I have swatches of it. It's like my favorite palette of all time. And I got another one. Look at this one though. It's a neutrals palette. Just a quick word about the timing of this and the title. Sorry about my nails. I just have a lot of animals and anxiety, so that's what happens. A Natasha Denona palette came out called Golden. And then I saw this in my feed. I don't think it's particularly golden as a theme. There's definitely like a warm kind of quadrant up there, but there's also all of these neutrals and kind of like gray tones. So yeah, I think, no, it's possible this was around and I just didn't see it until I started watching videos on the Golden palette, which is entirely possible. But I've swatched some of these and they're incredible. Let's just get started. I'm going to start on the top left and work my way across. There's 40 of them, so we'll see how many I can fit on one arm. Here we go. So if you see some weird texture on my arm, I don't know what's going on. There was some discoloration. I tried to add some concealer and it didn't work very well, so sorry. I'm gonna have to work very hard to try and get these all on my arm. Like the Spotlight Rainbow palette, they do not have names, so it should go a little quicker. So I'm gonna go as far up as I can here with this first one. Oh, it's a beautiful pearlized shimmer. It's almost more of a glitter than a shimmer. It's very pearly. And then it kind of goes into some fair skin tones. These do look quite different in the pan, but this one is more white and this one is more fair. Then it kind of takes a right turn and it goes into a deeper cool tone brown before going back up to like a light skin tone. Yeah, for some reason then it goes back to like kind of a, this is almost my skin tone. I have light skin with cool undertones. The underside of my arm is a little lighter than the other side, but like, yeah, that's almost my skin tone. And then wait till you see the last three in this row. This is part of the reason why this palette has jumped the line and been swatched first. This is a really pretty metallic champagne. Hopefully you can see the reflect in there, but wait till you get a load of the next two. First, there's a metallic gold that's just a beautiful, foily, gorgeous gold, especially on the eye. And then there's this guy. This is what I call a glitter gel, but it is one of the most opaque. Like, I'm barely touching the pan and look at how metallic it is. I've used that one on the eye. I've actually put this one on and then that one. It's stunning. And it stays. And that's rare with these glittery gels. It is really, really pretty. Love it. It might be my favorite in the palette, but I haven't swatched them all yet, so we'll see. I've got my eye on a silver lower down. All right, I'm not sure if the next one's going to come out. It is a matte white. Oh, that's a pretty good matte white. Usually they're very flaky and very transparent, but that's actually not bad for a white. Then for some reason we go back into another fair skin tone. I don't know if this is different undertone or something, but it seems kind of like a duplicate. There could be subtleties to it that I'm just not picking up on my skin. Then we've got another beautiful shimmer. This is a bit more white gold than like this one here. This one's a little more rose gold. And then it looks like this is going to be, yeah, like a terracotta color, kind of like a pale terracotta. So it'd be really pretty for some shading. Next looks like we've got some shimmers. Oh, gorgeous. This is a deeper rose gold. at least that's what I'm gonna call it, into one of these golden kind of browny grayish colors, shimmer. Then, holy mackerel, these shimmers are just, like, they're better than the shimmers in that rainbow palette. I don't know if it's a different formulation now or what, but like, they're just one swipe and they're soft and buttery and like really opaque. And then we've got another like white kind of pearly color. Wow, this is a lot more cool toned than, I don't know. I see like straight up silver glitter in both of them, but this just came out a lot more opaque, maybe because I used my thumb. Anyway, here's the first two rows. This is my reigning favorite. This might be my second. Knowing how this performs on my eye, this might be my third. Oh my gosh. Just stunning. The only problem with that very beautiful gold glitter is that I'm gonna see it all over myself, my room, my bed, my clothes for probably the next week. You can't seem to get rid of it. So, I mean, I'm cool with that, but you might not be. All right, then we're going back into some kind of skin tones. Got this kind of lightish warm color. It's kind of pinky. I don't know. What is that? Pinky tan? Browns are tough. Metallics are tough. This is a very warm dark brown and a much more cool dark brown. Shaking. All right, then we've got a very cool kind of grayish matte. A little more brown than gray. Very pretty, coppery, whatever that is very opaque. I think the shimmers are winning so far in this palette as far as quality goes. And we've got an even darker reddish brown, although they look very similar here, don't they? This one looks darker in the pan. And then we've got another shimmer. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a coppery darker brown. Metallic shimmer, whatever you want to call it. All right, then we're moving into some very cool tones, including some grays. Yeah, this has a little bit of brown in it, but otherwise I'd call it a light gray. Ooh, I just got some all over the thing here. It's kind of the most grayish. I don't know whether to call it gray or brown. This could be a really nice contour color, actually. It's just kind of that in between. We've got a shimmer here. It's very slightly brown, but it's more... There's silvers and browns in that shimmer there. And we've got what looks like a slate gray here. Yep, this could be a good gray for shading with this one up here. This one I almost see some green in it right now. Okay, getting more grays. This is the darkest, kind of coolest gray so far. I see a little bit of blue in it. Then another beautiful shimmer or metallic. The browns and grays, I guess I would call them more metallic. I don't know what to call that color. Lots of different grayish colors here. Then another kind of deep brown shimmer. And this should be the darkest gray shimmer. Yes, like a slate gray shimmer. So there are rows 3 and 4. I would flip around and try to do the last one, but this is my new white surface and I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to try to get some close-ups and then I'm going to move on to the very last row. Okay, I'm not sure why, but they seem to have put another matte white in here. I think I see just a little tiny bit of gray pigment. in the pan, but it looks like a matte white to me. I'm not sure what's going on there. And this is another very blue gray, light gray. Sorry, they're not swatching quite as good because this is like the last swatch of the day, but I'm trying to build them up for you. Then we've got a very pretty metallic, got a bluish gray metallic. And then another very cool bluey gray matte. Nice. All right, next we've got another deep gray. Well, that came out really well. It's a deep gray matte. Next, we've got another one of these glitter gels, but it's silver this time, guys, and this is another stunner. Oh my goodness, it's like a disco ball. Usually I'm a silver person. For some reason, the gold is like even more stunning to me in this palette, but only just because, wow, I can see every color of the rainbow in there. I hope you can too. Let me go ahead and do the last two though. This is the darkest gray shimmer. It's almost black, but this is the actual black. We'll see if it actually gets opaque though. Yeah, you can build that up. So definite gray to black color story here. You could really just use this last row if you wanted to. So here again is that incredible Golden Time palette by UCANBE. I don't know if I said it was actually called Golden Time and not Golden like that Natasha Denona one that just came out. These glitter gels just really steal the show here for me, especially the gold. I think they're gonna hit pan soon though. They're very soft, even though you barely have to touch it to get that much pigment out of it. So let me know what you think about this. Let me show you a couple comparisons real quick. So this is the Profusion Moonstone palette. It has a whole bunch of those glitter gels down the bottom, whereas the UCANBE one has a couple. They both have very strong shimmers, but you can see how it turns those nude colors, neutral colors, into those grays. Moonstone also has some shading powders on the side, but I mean, you could really use any of these tones for that, depending on your skin tone. Another obvious comparison is going to be the Beauty Bay Nude palette. They also have a Neutrals palette that is probably a little closer to the UCANBE one, but again, you can see the skin tones going into the grays with some beautiful shimmers as well. So let me know what you think about this palette. I hope you enjoyed the swatches as much as I did. And let me know if you use this, if you've used the other similar ones, how you think it holds up, how you think it compares. And let me know what I should swatch next. Or go check out the many swatch videos I already have on this channel. Leave me a comment and a like. You can subscribe and find out when I'm posting new ones. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Please be in focus. Please. Please, 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 please. Beige tone. I don't know what I just said there. My nasty thumb. My nasty looking thumb. My arm. Apparently all of the motorcycles in my town have now driven by my window. Hello? Stunning! Grace. Obviously it's gray. Okay, I'm really tired of doing this. I really wanted to get this palette done though. It's so pretty.